SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
If you have an iPhone 13, whether it's the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, or just the regular iPhone, you might run into some problems where something isn't working on the device. Now, this isn't something that's specific to the iPhone 13. Any smartphone, computer, or basically any kind of device that runs an operating system will occasionally need to be restarted. There's a few different ways that you can do this on the phone, and which option you choose is going to depend on the state of your phone at the time you want to do it. So let's jump into this video and see about the ways that you can restart your iPhone 13. The first and easiest way to restart your iPhone 13 is the option that you're going to want to use if you're able to. Basically, if there's something wrong with your phone, but everything on the screen still works properly, then this is what you're going to want to do. So you're going to need to hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time, and then you're going to see a little slider icon appear on the screen. It looks like this. Then you would just drag that slide to power off button to the right side of the screen. Now the phone's going to turn off, and you just need to wait for a couple seconds until it's completely finished turning off. And then you can press and hold the power button, and then you're going to see a white Apple logo appear after a couple of seconds. And then you just need to wait for the phone to restart. The second option for restarting your iPhone 13 is called a force restart. Now, this is something that you're only going to want to use when you have to, which means that the iPhone is frozen or the screen is unresponsive. To perform a force restart, you need to press the volume up button, then the volume down button, then hold the power button until the device shuts off. So it's going to look like this: volume up, volume down, hold the power button. Now you'll see the slide to power off button appear, but we're just going to keep holding the power button until the device turns off. And now we're going to keep holding the power button until we see the Apple logo appear, at which point we can release the power button and let the phone continue to reboot. The third and final option to restart the iPhone 13 is one that takes a little longer than the other options, but it can be easier to remember. You simply need to open the Settings app, choose the General option, then scroll to the bottom of this menu and tap the Shut Down button. That's going to bring up that slide to power off button, and then you just need to drag that to the right. After a couple seconds, your phone is going to completely shut down, at which point you can hold down the power button, and then you'll eventually see that white Apple logo appear to let you know that the reboot process is started, and then you just need to wait for it to finish starting up.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.